You've inherited a new team and you're looking around and it is like the wild, wild west. And people are doing who knows what, when, where, how. And you are thinking, oh my goodness, I had my old team just so buttoned up, working like clockwork. Maybe I should just get some of those guys to come over and start fresh. What should you do? Asking for a friend. Hi, I'm Karen Hurt, and I'm here with our next edition of Asking for a Friend from the road from beautiful Dillon, Colorado. Start with the 4 C's. Begin with connection. The best way to get to know a new team is one person at a time. You are going to go much faster in turning this ship around if you have their hearts and minds with you. So get to know them as human beings and what really makes them tick, what motivates them. Next, start with clarity. Get really focused on what are the most important things and get people really identifying the habits that are going to lead to success for that. And then show up curious. What is working about their Wild West ways? What are they good at? What are their strengths? If you have one of our Synergy Stack decks, you might even use the curiosity cards to really get underneath some of the most important questions. And finally, move to commitment. Get aligned on what accountability looks like. Focus on things like scheduling the finish and making sure that you are setting clear expectations around accountability. So those are a few of my thoughts. What would you add? What would you say to this friend who has just inherited a wild, wild west team?